Hello, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm at Gummers How. This is a forestry commission car park where you can park, and Gummers How is just at the top of there, so that's where I'm going tonight. And it's my first wild camp. I'm hoping to get a sunset, a sunrise, and maybe some knocking clouds as well, and yeah, just generally a good night. So this is me. I've only just walked from the car park to here. Goosed already. Some lovely layers. Gonna spin around. Lovely layers through the Lake District. So sunset's going to be really nice tonight. Pictures at the end of my videos. I always do that, so you can skip to it. Now I've just got to get up to Gummers How with this backpack on, 2 backpacks, and holding this as well. See you in a minute. Yep, my hair's a bit messy, but reached the top of Gummers How. There's the trig, and great views from Gummers How of Lamrig, which is close to the M6. You can see Silverdale, Arnside, Knott. You can just see Heysham Power Station distance, and probably later on when it's a bit darker you might be able to see Blackpool Tower further that way. So a great place, my first wild camp. Pitched my tent. Here it is in action. Here's me setting it up. Not too much trouble. Probably a few more tent pegs needed in future. But yeah, looking forward to golden hour and some lovely layers already. I know you can't see that because it's right into the. That might be a bit better. So I love some lovely layers, but again, photographs at the end of this video. I'm going to do a bit more exploring. See you in a bit. that was Gummers How, my first wild camp. Great location, just there over my shoulder. Gummers How. It's a bit hazy this morning, but yeah, a good climb up, and I'm off now to get some more breakfast and also to take some photographs of Fellfoot Park. Windermere is like a mirror. So photographs again at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye for now. Well, that was my wild camp. This is a few days later. I just wanted to do a quick review of all the different things that I used on Monday. So the first was my Van Gogh Banshee 200 tent. Comes in at under £100. However, the disadvantage is I'm 6'2" and it didn't quite fit me in, and with all my bags as well. So okay for a small person and very light, but not great if you're over 6'2". So pros and cons for that. This is my stove. This is a Highlander stove. Fits in a little box like this. Very cheap compared to the jet boils. Comes out of the little box. Sits like that. Goes on top of your canister. Canisters are really light. That's really handy. Good buy. Second good buy is the Rab Stratosphere pillow. That was I think £25. You blow it up. Again, good purchase. Last but not another two things. My Rab sleeping bag. Very, very good. Good for winter. Good for all seasons. Can't remember the exact model of it, but you can find them online, and it comes. Oh yeah, here we go. Ascent 500. Down to -5, up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which is -5, so good for winter as well. Last but not least, which I didn't use, thankfully, is my camping trowel and knife. So it's got a knife on one side, a jagged edge on the other side if you wanted to cut wood, although I don't recommend it if you're wild camping. Don't start cutting trees down. And then also this is used to obviously dig in the ground and leave a deposit of you know what. Leave no trace, that's the key thing about wild camping. So that's my review of a couple of different things I used from a wild camp this week. Pros and cons. Join me in the next video. Bye for now.